Hello everyone, this is Arpan. In this video, I'll demonstrate about VMware Converter Server. So VMware Standalone Converter Server is used for P2V, means physical to virtual, and V2V means virtual to virtual migration. So as shown in this picture, what VMware Converter does, it installs its agent into a physical machine or into a virtual machine, then it converts all the configuration files into VMX and all the hard disk, whether it's a physical or it's a virtual, into VMDK files, and then it's migrate to the ESXi host. So it doesn't matter, like as a source, if you are using physical machine or virtual machines running on ESXi host, or even Hyper-V machines or VMs running on VMware workstations. So by using this VMware converter, you can convert any of the VMs or physical machines into VMs, then you can migrate it to ESXi host. So in the next part, I'll show you how to install, how to configure, and how to migrate a physical machine. So first of all, you need to download the VMware Converter Standalone Server from the VMware site, which is a free of cost stuff. So once you have downloaded the applications, you need to double click on it to run that. Then the installation wizard will come. So here it has given the setup tab, local installation and client server installation. Local installation will be like the converter, the agent, and the converter server will be in a same server. But if you want to set up different server as a client server or agent server, so in that case you can go for client server installation. I'll show you both the options here. So I'm selecting client server installation. So as you can see in the custom setup, you can specify which role you want to install in this server, whether it's a converter server or it's a converter agent or it's a converter client. So I'm gonna select local installation here. I'm not gonna join to this customer experience, then install. So within a short time the installation will be done. I'll click on finish. Now it's time to configure the vCenter converter. So I'll click on this icon that is created in this my desktop. So this is the main page. So I'll go for convert a machine. So once I've clicked on this convert machine option, it has given me this wizard where I can specify the source type, whether the machine which I am converting as a virtual machine is powered on or powered off. So here I can select the type of source, Windows or Linux, and here I need to give the IP address or name, and I'm giving the username as the local administrator of my source system. So let me just show you which system actually I'm converting and migrating as well. So as you can see, the system name is com and the fully qualified domain name is com.arpan.com. So here you can see like it is, oops, what's the error? So I think there is some connection error what is given over here. Okay, so let me just click on source details. Okay, so here it is asking me for how I will be uninstalling the agent. Like once it is run the agent while converting the files, it will automatically uninstall when it imports successfully, or I can choose the option like I'll manually uninstall the client later. So I'll select this automatically uninstall. Then it's deploying the agent. It's gonna take a bit time. So here it's showing my source name. Now here as the destination page, I need to specify where this VM will be migrated. So basically here two things I can do. One is providing the vCenter server name, which is hosting the ESXi clients, or I can give ESXi server name itself. So here I'm giving the vCenter server's IP address and the username vsphere.local. So after giving the vCenter server credentials, it has shown me the vCenter server wizard. So here it is showing like what all the folders or what all the data center I can select where this system will be migrated. So I can change the server name over here. So once it is migrated, in which name it will show in my vCenter server. So I have selected the ESXi box over here. So how many ESXi's are running in that vCenter server? And once I've selected the host where the VM will be hosted, I can change the virtual machine version of also. Then it'll ask you to change the configuration settings for the source files. So let's say you don't want to keep any additional drive rather than C drive. You can change how many network adapters are there, what are the services that are running, or you can start or stop like CPU throttling or any synchronization option. That is very important. So as you can see, that is the synchronization option, like when you want the source and destination to be synchronized. So you can run immediately, the synchronization will happen between the source and destination, or you can schedule it with any of the given option of your choice. So after selecting all the options, it will show you the final summary. I have not changed any configuration of my system, and here it is showing like storage will be volume based cloning. Synchronization I've selected as like no. Then I'll click on finish. So once it is submitting the job, you can close this wizard. So automatically, as you can see, that the status is running. So right now the virtual files are being created from the source system, and here it is showing the estimated time. That is like, for me it is 1 hour 3 minutes. It matters like how much RAM you're given or how your network connectivity is there. So in this tabs you can see what all things are going on right now, and this is the like destination system information. In task progress you can see what all things are going on. As you can see, that is a transfer rate or what all logs is being generated right now. So once the status is completed, if you open your vCenter server, you can see that the server has been migrated and that is online over there in the host running. So thank you very much for watching this for today's video. That's it.